Hello everyone, thank you for watching, I appreciate your time. Here we are with 1999 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. It is a V8. It has the problem where these vehicles these hazard switches like to go bad, and also the turn signal, and they are joined together via the wiring and the way it's designed. So when a lot of times one goes bad, the other will go bad. Okay, so it works now because I already changed it, but I'm gonna just show you guys, and then it's reverse order to put it back. So that problem is this combination switch relay. Okay, and as you can see on mine, sometimes these will be like puffy, like bulging out. That's from the heat, and you'll know they're bad. Sometimes you can smell them. You'll smell a nasty electronic smell. Those guys who know what I'm talking about, you'll know. Even if you don't know the smell, it will not smell normal, which would be no smell at all. So anyway, so you pull it off. Okay. So it'll be like this. You pull this bad boy off. You just yank on it right here on the bottom. Just pull here. There's just two tabs that are in there. All right, so try not to break it. Pull nice and even. Okay, that'll be your side, and then here you go. You have this piece you have to pull out, which is the lower dash cover, lower steering column cover, whatever you want to call it. So we'll just come here. Like I said, this is reverse order, so I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna put this on. Nope, wrong way. Oops. And actually, this is actually pretty filthy, so we're also gonna blow this. Get all that crud off of there. Okay. It's pretty straightforward, just kind of shove it back in, kind of. It'll snap in, don't go crazy now. Okay, it's in. It's in for the most part. And then you have your 10 millimeters here. Well, I'll just show you. You have a couple 10s, 4, and then 3 Phillips heads. So I'll show you the top ones. We'll put them in. Okay. Well, actually, we'll start it off by hand. It's easier. All right. These bad boys go here, like so. And the other side. Like so. A couple of turns should work. Alright. That'll work. Put those in, and then you come from the top. Sorry. No cameraman today. You have these here. Phillips there. Phillips here. All right. Okay. like so. Oh, it's in. That ain't going nowhere, it's secured. And you come from the side. Like so. And come with something short or small so you can get in there. In my case, I got a cool little tool here, I'll show you. I have it at a right angle. I can't focus it right, but that's it. That's all that. Then we have, oh, you get my point. So then we have the last two. There's 2 10s here, and that's it. And now you check it. Even though I already tested it, always test it a few times before you put everything back together. Hazards work. All right, and blinkers work. Cool. All right. Again, hazard combination switch for 1999 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo replacement. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.